Hello from Oriental Rug Care. Oh, yeah, Miss Edlin doing her little detail work here. You can see the little white things in here. She just so much loves her details. But here she put the new fringe on here by hand, and she this wonderful, wonderful braid here that you can see. And right now she's combing it out because this is going to be the length of the new fringe, the length of the wood right here, and she'll cut it and it will be beautiful and even. And let's see, I'll get on this side here so you can see it. And then she'll repeat the thing, repeat this process, and do the other side. So recently we're doing 6 rugs for this client. So we love what we're doing here at Oriental Rug Care. Give us a call. We love to earn your business. We do refringing, repairs, we hand wash. Give us a call.